video on RJ31Xs and why we need them, okay, and how they're different from regular jacks. So when you have a fire or security panel, in the United States, some states require that they have a dedicated dial tone line for dial out communication with the alarm company. And the reason we use an RJ31X and not just a regular old RJ11 is that it's set up to provide dial tone in a priority fashion. So here's how it works. So here I've got this 8-pin jack. It's an RJ31X, okay? And on the green and the red, or in other words the center 2 pins, I've put the dial tone, on the blue pair. What I've done is I've run a cable from the jack, from the RJ21X, I'll show you in a minute. And I've also got an orange pair, which is connected to the outer 2 pins, okay? So you can't really see it in this video, but if you could see this way up close, what's going on is there's actually some spring-loaded pins on the back of this RJ45 receptacle that when there's not a male plug inserted, these pins are in the up position against these gold plates, and what they do is they complete the circuit to send the dial tone back to the RJ21X. So what's happening is dial tone's coming from the RJ21X, which is the D mark. It goes to the center pair, which then feeds the alarm, and then the alarm, when it's not using it, actually returns the dial tone back on these outer 2 pins, or the orange pair, which then comes back to the D mark, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm getting D mark dial tone from the phone company on the blue pair. I'm sending it over to the RJ31X. Then when it comes back, I take the orange pair and I put it down on the customer side, which then feeds anything on the customer side. What this does is it allows the alarm to take possession of that line at any time, regardless of whether it's in use or not. So that's the importance of using an RJ31X instead of just a regular RJ11 jack for alarm panels. Okay?